Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Childers. I'm one of the school counselors at Centennial Middle School, and this presentation is to show you how to register for your next year's classes using Skyward. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go to any school district website in the Sonoma School District, and you'll find a similar page where you can log either onto Skyward, or if you already have a Hello ID account, you can log into Hello ID and access Skyward through Hello ID. For this purposes today, I'm just going to access things through Skyward. You're going to put in your login and password. Today I'm going to use Marsha Brady's. So when putting in your password, it's important to remember that you need to use your student login and ID, not a parent login and ID. So parents cannot log into Skyward. If you've forgotten your password or your login, please talk with your school counselor or your 6th grade teacher. They can help you. You can also use the forgot your login password icon to help you log in. So once you signed in, you'll see in the home page, there might be some messages on there, but over on the navigation bar on the left, you're going to go down and find where it says schedule and click on that. If you are a 6th grader, you won't have any scheduled classes currently, but if you're currently a 7th grader, you will see your schedule on there. But at the top, you can see that course requests are now open for next year. So this is the link that I'm hoping you all find. So you request courses for next year at Centennial Middle School. Click on that. Once that happens, a new pop-up screen will show up and you'll see 2 columns. Over on the left are all the courses available for this year. And this is, you can scroll up and down. That's probably the easiest way to find things, or you can search for things in the search box. Over on the right-hand side are all the classes that have been pre-registered for you. So your math, science, social studies, and other health, fitness, other required courses like that. So, and these cannot be removed. They've already been pre-registered. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is choose your language arts class. So I'm currently logged in as a 7th grader or incoming 7th grader. So my options are language arts or honors language arts. And this is going to be the same option that 8th graders will need to choose as well. So for this purposes, I'm going to choose language arts. And then you're going to go to the middle. There's a little button that says add class. So once you've highlighted it, you can add the class. And both language arts A and language arts B will be added. The A stands for first semester. The B stands for second semester. So because the language arts is a year-long class. Now, for all incoming 7th graders, you get 2 elective choices. So current 7th graders that are going to 8th grade will get 3 elective choices. So for this example, I'll just be choosing 2. So I'm going to look through the electives, and I'm going to pick my top 2 choices. So for this example, I'm going to use forensics. I'm going to add that class. And art. There are my top choices. So if I made a mistake, maybe I changed my mind, and I want to choose a different class, you can remove classes that you've already selected. So maybe I don't want to take art, and I highlight it, and then I click remove course, and it moves back over to the available courses side. And now I can choose the class that I was hoping to take. I wanted to take digital production. So highlight that and move it over. One thing to remember is you can sign up for a total of 6 credits. So up in the top right, you can't take more than 6 credits. If you try, it'll just say that you're denied classes, so I'll just do one for example. So down here it says you cannot request it more than 6 credits. So once you've done this, you have completed your requested courses, but there's one more thing that you need to do. You need to pick a backup plan to your electives. So at the top here, there's another tab called Request Alternates. You'll click on that. You'll see all the available classes again on the left, and then all the classes that you've already requested on the right. So it's important to kind of see which classes you requested, because you can't request an alternate that you've already requested as your first choice. So like for example, digital production, I won't be able to add because I've already requested it as a course. So backup plan or your backup classes need to be different from your first selections. So I was interested in art. It was one of my other options, so I'm going to add it as an alternate. I'm also interested in choir, so I'll put that in there. And I'm also interested in team sports. So, and over on the right now, you see these little arrows. So when the counselors in middle school are looking at classes, we want to know what classes you would like to take next if we couldn't get you into one of your first choices. So maybe team sports is my top choice. I want you to look at that. So I can move this up in the priority list. So you can by clicking these up or down arrows. Maybe choir is my second, so I can maybe move down art. So once you're done, we would like you to select 3 or 4 options, because sometimes we do need to choose those. If you don't choose any alternates, we do still have to fill your schedule, so a class will be selected for you. But we would much rather you choose your classes that you would also wouldn't mind taking. So when you're done, everything is saved. There isn't a save button or anything like that. If you would like a printout of your selected classes, you can click the little print icon up in the right-hand corner. Pop-up menu happens, and you can see all the requested classes that you had. Those are going to be your top choices, and then your alternate choices below. And you can print that. I'm not going to do that today. And once you're done, you can just exit out. Again, everything is saved, and we keep a record of all those things. And you can log out of Skyward, and you're good to go. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to any of your teachers or email us at Centennial Middle School. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.